staggering 91% of parents believe their kids hold the reins when it comes to the weekly grocery haul and meal selections, according to a recent study by SuperValu, as they unveil their Fueling the Family initiative. And this is where things get interesting. The research reveals that over one-third, 34% of parents, consider the influence their children have on their shopping carts to be substantial, particularly as they prepare for the start of the academic year. But wait, there's more. The study also shows that 43% of parents view their children's preferences as the primary obstacle to healthier eating habits. Yet, lack of meal planning ideas and time constraints are also major hurdles. More than half, 55% of parents, confess that the deluge of nutrition guidance from various sources can be overwhelming. Traditional sources of authority, such as professionals and governmental bodies, still hold the highest level of trust. However, what perplexes consumers the most about healthy eating is determining the right amount of protein, fat, or carbohydrates they need, followed closely by deciphering sugar content and managing portion sizes. Interestingly, 46% of respondents admitted struggling with the motivation to maintain healthy habits, while 34% found it challenging to enhance eating routines at home. 4 out of 10, 42%, felt guilty about not preparing healthier meals, with this guilt increasing to 52% among those aged 25-34 and 56% among those aged 25-34. Physical activity is another area of concern. Only a third, 33%, believe they're meeting the recommended weekly exercise guidelines for their families. On a positive note, just 2 out of 10 families reported disliking healthy food, indicating that the majority are genuinely eager for better dietary choices. To aid families in surmounting these obstacles, SuperValu has introduced its Fueling the Family campaign in collaboration with renowned Irish performance nutritionist Daniel Davey. The campaign aims to equip parents with straightforward recipes, cost-effective meal plans, and practical advice for healthier family meals as children head back to school. As a parent and nutritionist, I understand the significance of bringing high-quality food into the household and making healthy eating attainable for families, stated Davey. What I truly appreciate about SuperValu is their unwavering support for local producers and their dedication to education, assisting parents in feeling confident about the choices they make for their families. This campaign is designed to furnish families with the tools and assurance to make modest, sustainable changes. From easy, delicious recipes to savvy shopping techniques that make healthy eating practical, pleasurable, and economical for everyone. Rita Kerwin, marketing director at SuperValu, commented, "We at SuperValu recognize the strains parents endure, particularly during back-to-school season. We are devoted to simplifying life for parents, aiding them in smarter shopping, healthier cooking, and keeping the entire family content without straining their wallets. Through our outlets and digital platforms, we'll assist families in discovering effortless solutions that cater to their needs as they navigate the hectic weeks ahead." Picture Mark O'Sullivan. Join the Business Plus panel to contribute to shaping the business decisions of tomorrow and earn vouchers for sharing your thoughts. https://surveys.bizpluspanel.ie/Seth2159